checking in. Off to go and play some footy. Footy, just like exams, very similar. You've got to do a warm-up, you've got to execute on the field of play, have tactics, have a clear plan, and then do a cool-down. You know, when I was playing sport, that's how I thought about it. Exams, I never thought about it like that. Hence, I didn't do well. I didn't do a warm-up. I didn't have any plan when I went in there. In fact, my plan was often to leave early. And I certainly didn't do a cool-down. I just kind of didn't really care and then cracked on and did the next exam. Didn't learn anything. But look, you're changing your view. You're changing your approach now to actually be a sports-based approach where... Where are we going? That way. We're going this way. Pitch is that way. And then that's how you actually get the results out. Treat it like a sport. The exam coach way. Checking in post-game. Didn't get any snaps because I was just too on it. Essentially what happened is we were 2-0 up at half-time. I was just sitting in that little defensive position, spraying the ball about. The team were doing well. Here they are. Loving it. But we got complacent and then we lost 3-2. So you should take note. Never ever go in there thinking you're going to win. Always be on the front foot, be humble. And we got smashed in the end, so crack on. Squad rolling deep, tending the wounds of a 3-2 loss with a good meal.